na may gitawag nga financial needs
there's
analysis.
Financial needs analysis. Do the review, check if your critical illness coverage is enough, if your life insurance is enough, if you have enough funds in case magkasakit. So there's a lot of things to consider. So always ask assistance from your financial advisor. And if kailangan ka to secure na if bako masakit ka na enough funds, then consider GHA,
Global Health Access.
It's one of the best plan that AXA offers.
Yan ang GHA nindot kina. Imagine na ang imuhang premium man ng GHA roughly around 1 to 2% agad sa total benefit nimo. It's 100 million asset in terms of inpatient hospital coverage. Global pagid. Dili lang
Yes.
Pilipinas. So
Ang Pinoy manggod, ang sakit manggod sa Pinoy is bata pa ko kanang sayang kayo magbayad niya dili magamit. Well, pasalamat ka, di ba? Dili
Di magamit.
magamit. But again, you wouldn't know when. But it's not, it's not about gihadlok ka, nga masakit and all. That's reality. That's reality. We can never be healthy forever. So, kano sa pamandayta mangandam kung nasakit na nga ang insurance company na or
balibad.
ang GHA na mismo balibad kay dili na pwede kay dili na pre-existing ni exist na siya dili na gid siya di na pwede jud declined na.
Technically sa brochure nakabutang mo gid or ang point of view ang point mo gid sa GHA is for healthy people. Di na gani ka healthy dako jud chance nga di na sad ka dawaton because again the asset is 100 million. That's a guaranteed coverage. It's not a joke pod.
Mag-premium ka og 80,000 for example annual nimo 80,000 although it increases every year but
Because
as
of
your age medical inflation and as your age increase ang imuhang premium sa policy. Let's just say in average in 20 years time nagkuan ka nag total ka o pila man ang 80 times 2 3.2 80 times 10 800 kuan na day
mga 1.6 1.7 ang 20 years nga imuhang gibayad.
and you got sick 1.6 so imong total about in 20 years time let's just say average 1.6
In 20 years.
in 20 years time
Pero imong coverage
how
is
much but how much percentage 1.6 after 100 million it's just 1,600,000 so it's just pila man na 1.6%.
Then for the 20 years dili wa kay 80,000 nga coverage 100 million every year ka atong
So the quality, and you can, on top of that, the quality you can get, or you have the option to be hospitalized outside the Philippines.
so for example kita diri sa Cebu the only available treatment would be either Manila or Singapore. Pinakadool kay Singapore man. Ato ka patambal. Maga ka ng kuan, nakoy question maga regarding how do you or I know the answer but for the benefit of the video, so how GHA would complement your existing life insurance policy to all life insurance products companies.
Sorry, what's the question?
So for example, no,
Naka-GHA,
for example, no, you already have a lot of life insurance policies from different colors, whether it's traditional or VOL. Daghan na kay and then what's in it for me? Ngano mo ko pa mo kog GHA?
Okay. GHA, you can use that like an HMO. So you have your card. When you get sick, you go to the hospital, present your card. You don't have to pay anything. Now, say given na si client si client na diagnose, si doctor na, oh, sorry to tell you, but you have stage 2, stage 3 cancer. So you have your critical illness coverage from other company
Or even from AXA.
or
tanta lang.
whatever company. So let's say your coverage for your critical illness and other other plan mo is 5 million. So that 5 million, you can use that as a logistic funds. So if you decide to have your treatment outside the Philippines, you can use your GHA. So if you decide to go to Singapore and get the treatment there, then use your GHA card. While your 5 million from your critical illness coverage, you can use that for your plane ticket, accommodation, and other expenses
Companion.
outside of the hospital or
Outside of
your
the
hospital expenses.
hospital bill. KC life insurance mangga, di ba? Most of the life insurance process is pay and claim.
Sorry?
Most of the life insurance benefit ba, we can simply tag it as pay and claim. So meaning, for example, na kay critical illness, you pay it first sa hospital, and then you claim it after processing all the documents. Mo man na usual sa life insurance, no? Nga traditional ugkuan, especially mga life insurance nga they would present it as health insurance. It's still pay and claim. You still have to shell out.
Yeah.
While sa GHA,
Yeah, you can use it upfront.
na card, di ba?
Yeah, you
Si
have.
AXA na mo bayad sa cashier dito sa inig-discharge nimo. So wa kay ipagawas ka kwarta. Murag siya ka ng HMO.
Just make sure dili malab sa mga policy.
Oo, dapat kuha na gid siya updated.
Ana, naka-good things ni GHAs. For example, the client na diagnose na siya o cancer this year. So as long as you renew your policy the following year, your coverage will still refresh to 100 million. So you will be treated good. Hindi na ka maghuna-huna sa imong mayroon kay stressful na kaayo ang idea nga nasakit ka. So dapat at least ang financial part niya dili na siya, which is for me the most big factor when you're sick. Asa og makuha og para pangbayan. So at least that part about dili na ka maghuna-huna asa na sa ka kung ibayad sa next chemo, the next radiation, next dialysis. So those things.
Or if in case accident, asa ta pa surgery ug kuan. Oh, by the way, napos sad siya ko kanang after the hospital admission for example, ina na ba accident sa term na katong 28 days ba to? 30.
Post-rehab.
Oh, post-rehab.
In case need ka mag-rehab, you have 28 days free na sessions sa imong policy.
And then nasa siya annual executive check-up ba nga
Yes. Siya have executive check-up. 12 sa global.
katong gold light.
Yes, light is 12,000. So I for one, I took advantage of it. So 12,000. But once magpa-health executive check-up manguga, you have the option to change the plan. Let's say ako, like for me, example, ako dito ko Chongwa, I got the women's health package,
Which
so
is more than
that was 21,000 ang package. So I got 12,000 coverage sa ako ang GHA. So I only paid actually wala na ako siya tanan gikuha nga katong naa sa package because I have
basta customized siya.
Yeah, you can customize man. So for me dili, let's say katong para sa smoke, dili man ko mo smoke, so, itanggal na ko siya, ilisan na ko glain. So inana lang, you can always customize, or if if you want to stick to your 12,000, then you can customize it to 12,000 lang. Ako na lang pag ipang add na
Mo nang nisa ka.
women check. So naka-add ko og around 5,000. It's 17 o mga 5,000. But you have the option to remove those na you think dili kay siya applicable nimo, and then or you can also like do the test kaning nga test karon ni year na next year lahi na sa din may kuan just to check kung na kay check sa ana nga test every now and then.
So in short, whatever your annual premium is because due to your age, nakay ka ng 12,000 na worth of
Health
executive
package. Plus na pa kay 2.5 sa ako ang gold light ha. Naapa ko'y 2.5 na either medication or vitamins na
Sulit
refund.
na.
Yes, so far sa ako wala pa na ako na-take advantage. Ako
At day 1 na if covered na ka ha.
Yes, kay ako na-approve ko March. I had my health executive check-up the following month dayon. And it was approved. So, the good thing kay sa major hospitals atong ako sige example sa ako sa Chongwa, nice kay ang service na ilang gihatag kay you are really well taken care of na pa free lunch. And you can choose
Si Chongwa
sa
niya
imong
pa free lunch.
food. Yes, you can choose si Chongwa na you can choose sa imong food sa imong gusto like sa available sa ilang menu. And then sa service kay kuan ka kanang i-guide ka kuyugan ka para make sure dili ka mamadugay. It's really good. It's a really good experience. So again, health is wealth. So invest aside from investing on other avenue. It's best to invest for your health sa kay para na sa tong lawas dili mapalit sa carbon ang ubang parts mga unsa na mga guba na dili makapalit og life extension sa carbon balik ni makilo. So invest.
Health is wealth. Lisod kay na siya nga statement actually. Sa
sige, may picture. So mao lang to kay napami appointment sa ang dentist. I'll see you
when I see you.
when I see you.
Bye-bye na si fans.